Mo kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ ìkànnì Àrólé Bàbá 1010 TV pé a tún kú dédé àsìkò yìí níbi yòówù kẹ́ ti láǹfààní láti máa darapọ̀ mọ́ wa lórí ìkànnì Àrólé Bàbá 1010 TV tá a wà yìí níbi tá a ti ń ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ mú ìròyìn wá lọ́tùnlọ́tùn lórí bí nǹkan bá ti ń lọ lórílẹ̀‐èdè Nàìjíríà àti lókè òkun káàkiri gbogbo orílẹ̀‐èdè àgbáláyé. Ìpínlẹ̀ Ẹdó náà níbi tí a ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ tá a fẹ́ gbé yín dé báyìí tá a já sí níbi tí ètò ìdìbò sípò gómìnà ní ìpínlẹ̀ náà níbi tó ti ń wáyé lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ lénìí tí ń ṣe ọjọ́ àbámẹ́ta sátidé ọjọ́ 21 inú oṣù kẹsàn-án ọdún tí a wà yìí. Agbègbè tí ẹ wò yìí ibẹ̀ ni wọ́n pè ní Tipa Garage ní Ward 80 níbi tí ètò ìdìbò ti gbéra sọ́nbẹ̀ báyìí. Ẹni tẹ́ ń wò lójúmọ́ máwòrán yìí ọ̀kan nínú àwọn ọ̀nàrẹ́bù ní ìpínlẹ̀ ọ̀hún náà ni ọ̀nà fẹ́ lọ ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ láti lọ rèé dìbò gẹ́gẹ́ bí ojúṣe àti ẹ̀tọ́ tí ọmọ orílẹ̀-èdè yìí tó ní láti dìbò yan ẹni tó bá wù wọ́n nínú ọkàn wọn. Bí ẹ bá sì gbàgbé ó ti tó bí oṣù mélòó kan tí àwọn olùdíje kọ̀ọ̀kan tí wọ́n ti ń ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ìpolongo nípa ìdìbò tó ń wáyé lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí nínú èyí tá a ti rí olùdíje nínú ẹgbẹ́ òṣèlú PDP ẹ̀yún People Democratic Party. Bẹ́ẹ̀ náà la tún ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ tá a rí inú ẹgbẹ́ òṣèlú All Progressives Congress tá a mọ̀ sí APC. Ẹgbẹ́ òṣèlú Labour Party náà LP òun náà wà nínú àwọn olùdíje àti àwọn ẹgbẹ́ òṣèlú míì tí wọ́n jọ ń figagbága láti mọ ẹni tó kàn tí yóò tún ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ jókòó sórí àpèrè gómìnà ìpínlẹ̀ Ẹdó. Ìdìbò náà lẹ ti rí tó ń lọ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí. Lágbára lọ́wọ́ Elédùmarè á tún máa máwọn fọ́nrán míì wá nípa bí ìdìbò náà bí ó bá tó ṣe ń lọ àti pé èyí tẹ́ tún wò yìí á tún máa gbé yín débẹ̀ pẹ̀lú bí ẹ ṣe máa fún ojú lóúnjẹ lórí bí ètò ìdìbò náà bí ó ṣe ń lọ nírọ̀wọ́ àti ní ìrọ̀sẹ̀. Ẹ ṣé ẹ kú ìfún ojú lóúnjẹ lórí ìkànnì Àrólé Bàbá 1010 TV 2. Ẹ má gbàgbé láti bá a subscribe sórí ìkànnì yìí kẹ́ lè máa rí wa wò kẹ́ sì lè máa rí wa gbọ́ ní gbogbo ìgbà àti gbogbo àsìkò. Ẹ ṣeun púpọ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí i.
I'll give a chair. Top past the building. Because you don't fit capture anything.
Do watch out for that side. Not be here. It's when it's done.
When it's during interview now.
When it's done with this. Go take out.
Carry on.
Yeah. Your number.
His phone number. 186. 186. Really? Let me check my number first so that I can vote. I'm a chairman.
You're wrong.
Hello, sir.
No. We are not allowing cameras or anything there.
Please, we don't want camera.
Please, no camera should go there, please. We are begging you.
Please allow
No camera should go there. Any camera should face this direction.
face that side.
Sorry, madam.
He's the campaign DG now. How did that even show?
He's a campaign DG. You see, they hide it. They hide
Campaign DG can show you.
Sorry, Robert. What guys you know?
Sir? Sir, let's take your shot.
Pass here.
Yes, now what's the election?
Journalist. That's okay. It's okay, yes, sir. I'm so that they will capture the back that we are. Wait.
I registered in this place.
Wait.
Let me go like this. Let me go. You stay here. Take him from aside.
I hope we are ready, please.
On your mic.
Good to go.
Hello. Check your mic. Hello.
DG, you just voted now at your polling unit.
Yes.
So, how has the situation been and the process?
Well, the process is, I think it's okay, it's orderly, and the people are diligent where we are. This is Unit 46 and 5 in the Bahalo government. The processes of accreditation through the voting, they are all. We do not expect any crisis. People are free to make their choice and then to vote. So I think we are having a good election exercise.
Okay. With the counter accusation before now, do you see if seamless elections at the end of the day?
For now, the elections are credible, but you can now affirm that credibility after we all finish voting and the ballots are counted and the results properly recorded and entered into the result sheet. When that is done, we can now say yes, the process is not marred by any irregularities. But as of now, it's not the beginning of the process that the issue is to follow through the process, but we have started well.
So far, how do you assess it?
So far, ANEC is doing well. Security is perfect.
Were there special provision for old people to vote?
No, there were no special preference. Just that for us as human beings, it is only normal for you to see this area I grew up. I can't see people like that I've known as my fathers, even though I'm supposed to be ahead of them in the queue. But they have age that should allow them give them that priority.
Thank you.
It's a sign of respect, not because there's any special provision.
Is voter party or what, or is just the number of people?
Well, they are just it's early. The people have till 2:30 to come here to vote. The last person on the line will be counted or operated by 2:30. That is what the regulation says.
How many people do you have here at this point?
I don't have an idea of the total number because it was the last exercise, but I don't think that we are currently less than 600.
So far, sir, in other when you say polling units are not within the state, are you getting information about the arrival of the materials?
The only thing I just said that they said there are some talk, so to speak, at Ogwege Primary School in the local government, preventing people from going in to vote. But that I cannot say anything about because, like I said, somebody called me. That's the call I was taking. So I will have to call our people in radio to ask what is the situation on ground.
Thank you.
Who is that?
Get plenty people for here wey be say they say e don tey wey they don begin dey even vote for this area, and we get one man wey be say no be him first time wey him go vote be this for this area. He say him own polling unit e dey tanda for ground and him dey wait may accreditation start so he go fit go vote.